Friends, market trading above 25p for almost 4 years now. Is it stretch valuation or market is re-rating himself? This reminds us a famous quote by British economist John Maynard Keynes: market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. In between, market will keep moving irrationally up and down and get settled at certain points of time, at certain valuation which later we try to justify. The best we can do is to learn from market history and accordingly try to predict the market future, isn't it? Now, coming back to this week BT Market Talk Weekend Review, in which we are going to take a look at the comparative analysis of then Nifty levels with Nifty now, along with then index PE and volatility as well. We will also be looking at FII and DII buying selling figures, option chain data and important levels to watch for Nifty. So without wasting more time, let's start. Friends, welcome to Budgetary TV's BT Market Talk Weekend Review for the week ended on 8th October 2021. Last week market again traded well in our given levels. It touched a low of 17,581 and high of 17,942 and closed at 17,895 levels with weekly gain of around 360 points, that is almost 2%. Volatility closing around 16 this week and PCR around 1 for fourth consecutive week suggests more upside for market. In October, market registered gain of around 300 points, that is little less than 2% gain. And in current financial year, Nifty is up by more than 3200 points. This is more than 20% gain. Let's look back to the Nifty journey. 1 year back on 8th October, Nifty was at 11,835, which is up by more than 6,000 points, that is around 51%. 3 years back on 8th October 2018, Nifty was at 10,348, is up by around 73% with 7,500 points gain. After 5 years back on 8th October 2016, it was at 8,697, now at 17,895, is up by almost 9,200 points. This is more than 105% gain. Let's look at FII and DII data. Last week, FII and DII both were net sellers for 64 crore and 168 crore respectively. In last week, FII stands as net seller of around 3,700 crore and DII bought for 3,450 crore. In October so far, FII sold for around 3,500 crore and DII bought for around 2,900 crore. Current financial year, FII still stands as a net seller of around 4,600 crore and DII supporting the market by giving a strong buying hand of about 5,400 crore. Now moving to option chain data. Looking at top 5 open interest positions of calls and puts suggest market may trade between 17,400 to 18,200 levels in coming week. Before conclude, if you find the given information useful, then give it a like, share with your friends and give your views in comment section below. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Now to conclude, on downside, Nifty may take support near 17,450 to 17,500 levels in near week, whereas on upside, it may witness resistance around 18,150 to 18,200 levels. Thank you for watching Budgetary TV's. Happy new week ahead. Let's meet in the next week with the new news. Thanks.